Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Good morning. Good morning for a happy Thursday. Release the scramble. Here we are, guys. Hope you're having a great time. What's up, everyone? This is how we finished yesterday on 34,000. Oh yeah, Nasdaq is moving. We've got red folder news that just got triggered. Average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. With an initial reaction here of a pump. Oh, that's some highly enjoyable movement, guys. What's up, everyone? How's your day? What's going on? Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Continuing our masterpiece. Continuing our masterpiece. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, make sure to like the video. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed. We must hit minimum 180 likes. Greetings from Miami. Maya Wilson. Oh. Lovely community. Continuing our journey with Lucid, FundedSeat, Savius tap on futures, Trade-of-It end user license agreement. All right. Yeah. Accept. These are the tap on futures accounts. So let's see what's happening, guys, on FundedSeat. Let me bring up the links for you. But first things first, we got to look into the markets. I'm going to talk to you about a 4-hour representation. Distributing out here, distributing. Yeah, the past 4 hours are meaningful bullish. This could be a strong higher low. On a continuation, on a sequence of higher low structures, looks like we're squeezing the upside. We're squeezing the upside. We're going for the upside touch, right? If you call that as a supply, then obviously all those lows that we're having are squeezing for momentum. Squeezing for momentum, squeezing. Markets wants to remain bullish for the Nasdaq. It wants to remain bullish, even though we've got high chances of rate increases. Good evening, good day, and high probabilities on that one. So it's not really affected by any 2,000, 3,000 points drop as some of the guys expecting on the rate hikes. Nasdaq for the moment is still capable, especially with the current 4-hour candlestick, guys. Especially if you're not having this one here, then you would be on a uncertain situation, guys. Uncertain. But now certainly inclining towards the bullishness for the 4 hours. Before we continue, make sure to invite people and share the presentation with pretty much everyone in all the trading groups, guys. Come on, you want to do the same thing. In all the trading groups, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, you have to invite every single person you know and build our community. Build our community. This is the Discord you want to be part of. Let me drop you the Discord link. You have to be part of if you want to join our giveaways. So this is the way it looks like on this side. Strong movements here, strong movements. FundedSeat is how we're gonna start today on FundedSeat. Let me fix my green tea. We're not going to do the mistake of starting without a strong portion of green tea. We're not doing that mistake. Childish mistake. That would be a childish mistake. Nah. Listen. Ho, ho, ho. Here we are. There you go. Cheers, everyone. Have a lovely day. You saw, guys, what happened with Belgium. You saw what happened with England. Belgium. With England. Oh my gosh. $150 points, more than 150, 160, 170 points. It is not playing games. Oh yeah. And it's not something I would mind. I think we're continuing to climb here. I've longed it. 20 micros. 20 micros on this one. Trading it alone. I should set up a copy trader. I've got out at 111. I'll set up the copy trader. We usually copy trade at 2 accounts, so let's not forget about it. Let's certainly not forget about it. We have 2 instant funding Bolt for FundedSeat. I told you guys yesterday, Congo will try to score early and then go massive defense, highly performing. Was it right or no? Gonzalez. Gonzalez, you tell me. Oh my gosh. Mpassi, good keeper, exactly, good keeper. Senegal, incredible guys, incredible the way they lost. Massive mistake, right, by the keeper. I guess on a second goal, massive one. Unfortunately. Oh. Good day, good morning, have a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Oh, 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 oh. Nah, I don't think if Senegal deserved to miss continuing, to miss the qualification, I don't think they deserve that. Leading 85 minutes is a form of value, and performance. But you guys with England on Harry Kane's side, you got to be kidding me with Harry Kane. Still doing its job perfectly. Just like Nasdaq. Getting into 5-minute representation, I like to test out a 15 minutes here and see where are we. $15-minute representation, where are we? Oh, we just had a breakout, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. We just had a pretty strong damn breakout. Oh yeah. Look at that. Wow. Look at the amount of confirmations you have on this one. This is a massively respected trending line dropping a breakout, guys. Really valuable. So our FundedSeat approach is going to continue with We have 4 instant funding accounts of Bolt. This Bolt accounts of instant funding are extremely special because you can have the opportunity of grabbing instant funding without consistency from the second cycle and daily payouts from the second cycle. The first cycle is 20% consistency, which is the decent average size of the markets of the instant funding, right? Pretty much everywhere you got 20%. And then instead of 6%, which is the way you kind of have it pretty much everywhere, you have 5% target on your first 5% target. That's a big winner, guys. That's a big winner. Unpredictable, who is going to win? Well, thinking about France. It's not that hard to predict. They are going to be minimum semifinals, minimum. I will be testing out a short. $20 micros. Sold partially. Watching for a continuation on this pullback. Go back on my regular sizing, 25 micros here. Good day, everyone. Good day. We need a target here of $1,000. Yesterday we made 1,000 on all the 4 accounts. What a strong reaction from the bulls. I'm out. 1,300 down. What a strong reaction from the bulls buying all that back. Might have an opportunity to take my shots here for the longs. Good morning, good day. I'll put my stop loss there. So freaking bad. I got trapped here in both situations. I got trapped. Yeah, we touched basically. Oh my gosh. We touched our stop loss, daily stop loss. We lost it for the longs. We lost it for the shorts here. With this upside movement. We have been a possible higher low structure with the market continuation into the fair value gap of the upside. Unbelievable. Pretty strong fair value gap here. Possible higher low. Going for the liquidity there and then dumping. No, it actually got denied quickly. Thank you, Mr. Knifer. Thank you. I totally got this trade wrong. Totally. Look at that. We still have a little. $100 to daily max loss. Let me take out of the copy trader and trade them alone. Totally got that wrong earlier. Totally. $12 micros long. This account is $160 from the daily loss limit. 160. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Lovely, lovely. We loaded up 16 micros. We have to move. We have to move for the upside. Come on, guys. $160 away from the max loss. Are we capable of saving it? We need a little stronger move here. Ah, man, it's so hard not to sell. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. So bad. Look at that. So bad. Will extremely likely get stopped down. Will extremely likely get stopped down. I'm out of this. Yeah, look at that. We had $400. We didn't got stopped down, but I'm testing again. We only have $100. Daily loss limit, $100. Good morning, good day, guys. Thank you so much. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I'm adding more to this. Oh, I like it. Oh my God. No way, this is gonna come back. Yeah, we got stopped out. So both of our trades were having $300, if not $400, the first one in profit. And we did not move. We did not move. We did not move. You know. It's a daily loss limit, it's not an issue. Yeah. I could have. The thing is, if the price action would have moved, this would have been a $2,000 trade. That would have been a $2,000 trade. With the exit here. We still have the other one, which is having $85, $95 drawdown, shorting it. However, you know, there's a lot of noise here. It's just, you know, nonsense. 85, $90. Yeah, there you go. Daily stop loss limit. Continuing with the other two. Slowly. Yeah, I'm doing my best with the Bolt with 100,000. Yeah. I'm really excited for the second cycle daily payouts. No consistency daily payouts, second cycle, instant funded. Really, really interesting. You just have to cross that first cycle. I like that it's, you know, 5% target on the first cycle, so it's not as 6% the way usually it is. I'm testing out a little short here for this one's. There it goes. What's up, Fred? Here we are. $27 micros short. With a stop loss above the structure. Let's see if we get chopped out. Come on. Lovely. Target hit, guys, on 2 accounts. $961 celebration time. There you go. $961 celebration time. Beautiful. Look at this one. This is the account. This is the account. We have 5 trading days. Our first trading day, 19 rocket. Look at that. It was down 2,550, hitting the daily loss limit, right? Greetings. So this one hit the daily loss limit, 2,550, and we remain with, what was that, 450 bucks. So the next day we started 450. Copy trading it, recovered. Yeah, exactly. Maddie has an interesting option to set a daily loss limit on 1,500 and go from there. So we have 3 days in a row of 1,000, covered up with another 500 bucks. Without our $2,500 loss, we would have been pretty close to the payout here. So we traded all the 4 FundedSeat. I'm gonna grab another one to have 5 again, fully. Oh, what's wrong with this? I don't want to trade that template. Why is this template? There you go, it's back. One session is already open. Which one? One session is already open, connected manually to drop connection. I think they got it wrong with that. I don't have any other session open unless I got hacked and someone is trading my account. Ha ha ha. Thank you for Remo. Thank you. Time to grab the 5th account of this bolt. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. We're still running about... We cashed out $6,000 from FundedSeat from 50,500 flexes, 3 payouts, 4 payouts of 1,500. But we're about to break even with today's spending. We're about to break even with today's spending. These Bolt accounts are not that cheap, like the challenges. There you go, we're going down, no surprise, no surprise. No surprise. And the 5th account is here, 100K. We're gonna trade it. Expectancies towards the markets, visualizing an overall bullish approach for the next period. 29,800s is the level to deny the bullish stance for the upcoming times, upcoming short term in terms of days and so. So for this account on 100,000, I'll do something else. I'll put 1,580 like Maddie said. I'm gonna put exactly like Maddie said, 1,500 daily loss limit for this one. Let me set it up, right? Let's try it this way. Edit risk. Daily loss limit. Maximum equity. Maximum equity 1,500. Oh yeah. Let's try it out, Maddie. 1,500 daily loss limit. We have our, look at that, daily loss 1,500, and we're gonna set a daily profit of half of it. Half of it, 750. We're gonna have a negative ratio. Confirm. It's supposed to show up here 1,500, right? It's not showing for the daily profit. Yeah, we do have a daily profit introduced. Testing out my long from here. What a massive rejection, guys. The volatility today is just nuts. Look at that. Things are not going the best today so far. Yeah. Extremely weak so far. Let's see what we can get. Next candle might be a little green and sold a little. Sold a little. Good luck out there. Best one. Have a good one. Markets closed tomorrow, not streaming. Resuming on Monday. I'm sure you guys are aware about it. Adding a little long here. Adding a little long here. I'm out for the moment. Made 140 bucks. Big belly accounts are doing great. Yesterday we made $34,000. We have not traded them today. We're gonna publish a new video, guys, this week. Maybe 2 videos, we'll see. With another company we're gonna work with and trade daily on my stream. We'll be testing out a short here soon on the new candle. 25 micros. With a take profit out here. A little bit oversized. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Tomorrow markets closed, resuming Monday. Keep that in mind. Yes, I'm going to talk to you about it, Dr. Kulo. We'll be introducing it next days. We'll be introducing it next days. Added more to my short here. Oh my gosh. Lovely. Lovely. This is supposed to have some nice continuation. Selling partially. I'm fully out here. 514 plus. Celebration time, guys. 514 plus. We're gonna work with 750 base hits. Boom. 750 base hits. We're gonna work with that. Haha. Reshorting this. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Keep going. I'm out for the moment. We're 569. We still need a little more here of profit. What's the best one on FundedSeat? Well, depends. What do you want to trade? If you want to trade evaluations, then the best one is the flex. Right, the flex is the best one. The 50,000, 150,000, 6% target on the evaluation. You know, the usual thing. No consistency on the funded stage, and 4 days of trading with no target. No consistency, 4 days of trading. This is where we qualify for payouts. Maybe I should resume trading the daily accounts challenge. Sorry, the flexes. Because we made $6,000 from the 50K accounts. Yeah, we only spent on those about less than 2,000, way less than $2,000. Oh, for this ones, we actually spent a lot on instant funding and haven't got to a payout of instant funding, but we spent way less on 50K, about $1,400, $500, and we got $6,000 in payouts. But then we're down quite a lot with the instant funding bolt ones. So if you like instant funding, then instant funding bolt is no consistency and daily payout starting with a second cycle. First cycle is 20% consistency and 5% target. But again, 5 funded accounts, you can max this out. I mean, we've got 10 funded, Lucid 5, FundedSeat 5. With this 10 funded, we could have at least 10,000 bucks a month payouts, one way or the other. Beautiful, guys. We're touching the algo line here, plus we're retesting the trending line, so I'm going to long that. Let me open up Quant Tower. Time to take care about a Lucid account. Setting up some limit buys. Good morning, good day. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. So 2 accounts hit the target today here on FundedSeat. 2 accounts hit the daily loss limit. Not a hard reach, but pretty close to that, unfortunately. And now we have on the 5th one, 569, with my target being on 750s. Let's just wait for the entry there. We're also going to start trading our Lucid accounts. Well, hopefully not, Jonathan. Good day, Twister. Welcome. This is the last day of the week. Tomorrow market's closed. But we're going to post in the meantime our review video for the company. A company that's been in line for many, many years. It's not a new company. We're going to post our review and you guys will be able to attack. Starting by Monday, we're going to trade their accounts big time. Plus, I think there's going to be quite a few promotions out there in the prop space coming up with holidays. It's a good level for the market to give us a bouncing, but I'm expecting basically a little lower, 110 for that. I'm shorting a little bit here. 10 micros. Lovely. I'm out for the moment. 691 profit. 691 profit. Still want to do about $60 here for our target. All the way back to 30,000. Thank you, Peter. Thank you. No morning show tomorrow. Tomorrow we do not stream. Lucid is very likely going to come up with a new sale. Very likely. The old one did not expire. It expires tomorrow on the 3rd. On the 3rd. Testing out a short here again. I'm out. I don't like it. I've cut it away. Could be a local low, that's why. And we could see a stronger move, an additional 30, 40 points. So there's no reason for me to sit in that. Our Lucid accounts are here. I'm glad we have 5 funded of Lucid Flex 150,000. 2 of them are always ready for payout, the big belly accounts. The other ones are in great shape. Let me share with you. This one has 151,500, 2 days of trading. Today's the 3rd. So 1,500 profit on this one. The other one is 1,100. We've been trading them slowly. And this one has 1,900. So maybe by Wednesday or Thursday next week, Thursday, I would touch a decent level with all this 3. And we're going to cash out from 5 accounts on Lucid. That's going to be a banger, $50,000. Ho, 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 ho. Oh. Yes, I've stayed in my longs. We made about, let me share with you. We made 34,000 yesterday from all that stuff. 34 grand from all that stuff. It's dangerous. It's dangerous here. Yeah. Setting up my limit orders. For the Lucid accounts. We've got our limit orders waiting for Lucid accounts here. Shorting it here, guys. Shorting it for this account. Here we are. Shorting on this supply, expecting some choppiness here. Let's see if we get it. Beautiful rejection, beautiful. We have DC a little more, 25 micros. Profit is running through. I'm out, 847. But we should have an automatic market sell. You see, my daily profit is not set up for some reason at 750. It's 847 celebration, guys. Yeah, kids are having a hard time sharing toys. Boom. Ha ha ha. Congratulations. They don't want to leave the office and they don't want to share toys. Ha ha. Obviously. Let's go. 847. I'll take that all day long, but let me see into the edit risk side. Why is it not? Why is it not working here? What's wrong with it? Daily profit, equity 1,500, and then we save it. User risk parameters updated. But it's not. It tells me disable. So look at that. On this side we have it enabled. We actually got to enable both daily loss and daily profit. 1,000. I don't want 1,500 here. I'd like 750. What on earth? What's wrong with it? I don't know. Still disable. Gotta ask for the support. Good morning, good day. Thank you, guys. Yeah, kits. You know, calling it a day here. This is great. This is great. 847. I'm doing the experiment. 1,500. Yeah, we're gonna move on. So fully traded all the FundedSeat. Time to focus for our Lucid. I will probably short the price section. 4 minutes short. Good evening. Good day. Lovely profits on some other places. Looking for a temporary tab here. Oh my gosh. Looking for a temporary tap. Bring it down. Curl down, curl, curl. Oh. It's a dangerous chap here. When it's dangerous, do we short or do we long when it's dangerous? Haha. It's actually dangerous for both most of the time. No survival, bring it down. I'll set my limit order there. And even with you, I'll set my limit order here. I'm out of this. I don't like that trade. Where's the other account here? Stop loss right above. Sold the other one in loss. Let's see. Nah, we touched the stop loss. $5.74. No rush. That's very interesting from Rise. Such a long period of time. Very interesting. Never heard of that. Purple. Very interesting. There might be a problem there. I saw recently they updated the dashboard and the functionalities. But 2 weeks is heavy. Reshorting this move, guys. Reshorting it. I'm going for the continuation. Oh, beautiful profit. Look at that. Beautiful profit. Pretty much out of all. This is down $1. This is still down $1 today. Let's see what's happening on the next ones. This is 723 profit. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm done with this one today. And this is minus 186. We still have 2 accounts to work around, plus the 2 big belly. Glad we made 700 on one of them. Indeed. We are doing that. We're hunting today. We are hunting. And it's fruitful. It has results. We're playing much better than yesterday's games. England and Belgium. Open in a few minutes. We got movement downwards from the 5-minute algo. I'm gonna be careful, guys, here. Yes, their players are playing in Premier League and La Liga. Right, this African players are playing in the top leagues, top championships. So oh. Are we going for that 100s? Right now before the opening. Right now before the opening. Trading the Lucid accounts here, guys. It's by far the #1 prop firm in the space. By an extreme far, I would say. Untouchable. It is, but I'm no longer longing it here. I'm no longer touching the longs here. Market's opening in less than 2 minutes. Here's the long. We touched basically exactly what I needed. The problem is the timing. Here's the dump we expected. We made some money. There you go. Markets came in exactly as I needed. The thing is, the timing right now, we're entering in a phase of the markets that can have 200 points movement noise the other way and then resume the pattern. I do fear yesterday low, 30,000. I do fear that. So I'm not going to touch the markets right now. Maybe test out a short. If we do this, maybe test out a short from here. On the opening, if we have such a candle, right, maybe test out a short. Let me do some limit shorts on the big valley. We put some of the limit shorts on the big valley. 145, 150s. Right? In case we spike there and then come back. Touching daily VWAP, weekly VWAP, so best of luck, everyone. Let's see. No, we haven't touched anything yet. We're just going lower. And I'm about along it. I got a limit order here, a limit order there. 10, oh yeah. $10 minis on both sides. Oh yeah, 9,000. Look at that. $9,000. Look at that. I'm out here. 5,800 on one, 7,400 on the other. Oh my gosh, what an opening. 7,400. Fireworks at once. Here we go. Boom. Celebration time. Wow. Relonging it. Relonging it. Yeah. Relonging it. Let's go. Oh yeah. Another 4,000, 5,000. Give me that juice. We are ready. Another 6,000. Ah. Little slow here. Going a single contract in this one. Let me get out here. How much did we made? 255. Absolutely beautiful. Not gonna do more on this one. 255. The one we traded a contract. $12,000 profit on the big belly. Ha ha ha. 4,000. I'll be doing a contract here. Yeah. Stinky bids. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We gotta hit 180 likes to do the giveaways. Keep that in mind. Tomorrow, market's closed. So we're gonna post video, not have a live stream. 12AC is in Venezuela, as far as I know. It's helping people, doing charity. He took a plane from Italy and rushed to Venezuela. He's a great guy. That's why he said in our Discord. I'm out here, 177. Buying back. Run. I'm out here. 607. Beautiful, guys. On all the three next to the big bellies, we make good profit. Good profit. Targets hit, guys. Targets hit. And we also have great profits on the big belly ones too, right? Still holding on my long. Depends. Let me quickly verify if half day tomorrow. If they're open half day, we're gonna stream. Can you guys quickly confirm that? I'm confused. If they're open half day tomorrow or we have a full closing. We're not supposed to have a full closing. Let me look into that. I think it's completely shut down tomorrow. Half day? Oh! Beautiful profits here. Beautiful profits here. So then we're streaming tomorrow. We're streaming tomorrow. Yeah. We're streaming then, yes. If it's whole day, we're gonna be out here streaming. Yes. Wow, that's a beautiful move. That's a beautiful move. I'm gonna have a stop loss on break even here. On both accounts, stop loss break even. So we're fully secured about it. Yes, 150,000 Lucid flex funded. David DR. Let me have a message here mentioning and stating we're streaming tomorrow. They have not scared me out of this. I'm waiting to move above 185. There's a little supply there, and I'm waiting for smashing that, crushing through. I'm gonna leave this long a little open. Hope no one minds it. Ooh. Ooh. What a terrible move. Did we just escape that one? Ha 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 ha. Are we gonna escape this one, community? Nah, we did not escape this one. This is such a bad retracement. What is he typing again? What is he typing again, guys? Or was it just, yeah, streaming tomorrow, fully confirmed. Could be a dirty move. I'm loaded up again. It was a nice trade, but I'd expect a little higher. Now, probably they give me another opportunity to long it lower. And, let's see. Having a hard time believing without any special news we're gonna crush that 30,000 without first taking the liquidity from the upside. Congratulations, good job. Welcome, welcome guys. We're having a great time. Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha. I like this move. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ha ha ha. They just give me a much better entry opportunity. Thousands of dollars, exactly. Better than the last trade for sure. Better. This is gonna run. Oh, 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 oh. Oh yeah. Oh my god, what an rejection. Have a look into that. Wow. I'll be back in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, be right back, guys. Make sure you take the price section above 200 in the meantime. They just want to scare you out with the scandals. You guys see that? Not expect it to be different, guys. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Now, we don't need a supply there. We don't need a supply there. Look at that. So we were up to 189. And my entry is on 36. Are they going to touch from 189 down to 36? I'm going to put a stop loss break even right now. You know, $1,000 profit. I don't want to believe they go down to 39 again. 39, 36. That would be a mess. Not taking partials yet. Should have cashed out on 180s partially and then buy back. Indeed, Purple Ninja Facts knows it. He knows it for a fact. He's been here for a long time, understanding the name of the game, right? Should continue to the tab. I like this reaction. I like it. If we get a denial here that's massive, I'm gonna... But I still have to wait, guys. The pressure is on. The pressure is on. You know, the button's turned on. Still have to be patient here. Oh. Not an enjoyable candle. I'm telling you, not an enjoyable candle. Well, let's give it a little space for breathing. Let's give it a little space. We might get rewarded. Oh yeah, we might get rewarded for that. Not selling anything yet. If we go below 127, here I'm moving my entire trailing. Oh, haha. Did we just escaped on the other? Look at that. 120.25. 120.25 we had it. Before the price moved there. Yeah, we touched that. Not a worry, guys. Not a worry. $23,000 in profit. 23 grand in profit. Celebration time. Celebration. Boom. That's not bad at all. Look at that. What a great start for July. Little salt and pepper here. Haha. Oh. Nah. Moving back. It's 30. It's 30 on me. They're doing a dirty job here with this candle. You know what? They're making me feel FOMO. That's what they're trying. To unleash the FOMO side of a price. Chasing the price. I don't know if I want to chase the price action. I don't think I want to chase the price action, guys. You see, you go protective. You say, well, we lose the structure. We might go a lot lower, so we might go to my entry. Let me take my profit. This big account is Lucid. Lucid Flex. You're trying to be protective based on the price action structure. The structure is under a risk of reversal from a supply. You're trying to protect your profits, which do not means it happens, and at the same time it do not means the market is not reversing and going back to your previous target. Look at that. The next deal with Lucid, it's going to be presented. The current deal expires on the 3rd, and then whatever comes out, Scramble code will give you maximum discount. Whatever comes out for the best. Welcome, Spain. You're playing today. Spain, you're playing today. Are you going to have an easy game today, Spain? You're going to smash that 70% possession, minimum 70% possession for Spain. But the possession they're doing is 30, 35, 40 meters away from the goal, right? That's the kind of possession, 40 meters away from the goal. 300 passes, like they would play at the handball. 300 passes. I made my last withdrawal like 2 weeks ago. Thank you, Mr. Smith. This is a Lucid Flex of 150 grand. We did quite well this month so far. Make this to 600. I'm trying to do my best to get this one to minimum 500 this month. I'm not chasing, which doesn't mean it can go higher. It can actually go higher. But I'm gonna breathe, right? I'm gonna breathe. And let it slow. Thank you, Mr. Smith. According to their Discord, I thought it expires on their 3rd. Could expire on the 2nd. 3rd with a new promo. Yeah. Today or tomorrow. But you guys will know about it from my Discord and from my YouTube. Portugal. I don't know what to say. They have not been having their best. I'd like to see the teams playing against France. Highest P&L with this account. Let's discover it. You see, Scramble is not chasing, the price action is running. Link for Discord. Here's our Discord community. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to join, be subscribed, streaming from Monday to Friday. Let's have a look into transparently for the highest P&Ls. This is for July. This is for June. June biggest loss 70,000. Biggest profit 46. But oh yeah. May, biggest loss 61. Biggest profit 51. April, biggest loss 34. Biggest profitable 26. This is the way the P&L has been growing. Here's the demand zone, and we have a downtrending channel right now, guys, like this. You know, once we break out of this downtrending channel, there is resistance established there on my PNL. Once we clear that, we're going like this. So we're taking this part of the chart and we apply it here after the breakout. And then March, the way we started. Best day in March, 23,000, 0 losses. Good morning, New Jersey. Great simplistic videos. We're feeling great. Having a beautiful day. And that's the most important thing. Along with our lovely, strong, smart, healthy, and powerful community. Oh, golden pocket is what we crushed so far. It was in 200s. Here's the golden pocket. Looks like no one cares about it. In terms of the market makers. If we ever touch that 90s again, Scramble is back in a long. We're streaming tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Yes, we had $12,000 total payouts, but we only did from these big ones a single round, 3,000 and 3,000. We cashed out from 4 Lucid flexes at that time. We also had in other flexes back in the day some more payouts, not from this. But since we started with this big belly, we only cashed out 3,000 from one, 3,000 from the other. And I'm looking forward to having 15 grand payouts as soon as we have 5 ready, which was continuously my target on that. You know, I'm watching the P&L side here. And you gotta look into this. So at some point we were up 495. And we were also down 334. But if you look into our live stream from a Thursday, which Thursday was it? Maybe the 25th or the 18th. One of those Thursdays, 25th or 18th. We were down 140, 150 grand in unrealized and fully recovered and put it on profit. France with Morocco. Yes, it's top notch. Substitutes are top level. Yes, their bench is looking really good. Really good, so I think they're by far the favorite. By far, guys. Should I test out a little short here? Or maybe from higher? Or maybe not touch shorts and keep that $23,000 not giving back. What's my goal with this big accounts? My goal with this big accounts is it's goals at different levels. First level, economical, taking max payouts along with other Lucid Flex accounts. That's my goal with them. That's the economical side. Max payouts along with the other flexes. With this account, the economical goal in terms of real finance you can touch has been achieved. Because I can take max payouts on them. A goal of psychology is to trade, deal, and manage 10 minis, high sizing on high volatility markets, train, and get myself in that specific tornado of emotions, difficulties, and challenges of dealing with 10 minis on a New York session, including at the opening, which is an important experiment. That's an important test. You can't purchase. You can't buy this type of account. You gotta build it. And it's extremely valuable to me. Extremely valuable to me. I think these 2 accounts that we built are helping building my path of mental strength. I think that. So I get a lot of feedback for my activity performing on this account. I have a lot of output that I can have and deal with it. I have a lot of input to produce a lot of different output, right? So it is constructing me in a positive way as a trader. We've been moved to live with other accounts. I'm continuing trading. Yeah. But we're still fine. Fly leader. Losers bigger than winners. Look at that. We're still fine. We're not at 150 when we started. We're at 450. So it's not affecting me. I don't think if I change the ratios and I do it differently, things would be better. I don't think that. Football is tricky. Sometimes the best team does not win. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly, simplistic videos. That's right, and that's usually the way these games are played. The eliminatory games are played. You quickly score. We saw yesterday Congo, and I've said it on the day, on the stream. Congo will try to score quickly and then go massive defense. For them, it actually happened perfectly. But then Harry Kane with a massive execution made that 2-1. That was a massive execution. I also think, guys, this balls from the World Cup are made a little different. Very elastic. They're moving quickly. They're flying quickly. All the shots are just, really powerful. I think they managed to create a scientific ball that goes really fast, way faster than the other ones. At shots, it's crazy the way it quickly moves. Croatia, Portugal. Croatia is not what it used to be 4 years ago, and 8 years ago. It's not like that. But I don't think Portugal is having a great form yet. So that's going to be interesting. Jacob. I'm having a hard time speaking about Apex. We're not really trading Apex for obvious reasons. So, Jacob, I strongly suggest you to look into Lucid, FundedSeat. You can see them on our page. You can join us daily and trade with us. Top level firms, uncomparable. Uncomparable, guys. No, we're using Lucid. So there is a risk basically for your payout if funds were not deducted. It has been approved, but funds needs to be deducted. No, not using that. Undoubtedly the best. Now everything is the best at Lucid, which is why it's by far the best company. Nah, incredible. Look at all these moves here. I'm not going to short this one unless we break slightly above today's high. So slightly above 320s. I'm not going to long it because we're getting close to supply. And we can actually say supply starts from 280s from here. But the thing is, supply might not be sufficiently powerful to stop the price action, not to go all the way to 320 plus. So that's why. Yeah, I'm longing it here. I'm longing it. There we go, guys. I'm longing it here for a few thousands. Yep. Ticker cat, we're not trading with Tradeify, no. We're trading with their alternative, which is Lucid. And we got some great choices on FundedSeat. Lucid FundedSeat, you can already have 10 funded. That's a great possibility of running out on big payout. Then we do some Savius, some tap on futures, and this day is introducing another company. Now, it's a long discussion for me with Tradeify. I've been speaking about it on my Discord like 6 months ago, but we're not trading there for some obvious reasons. Nah. We have been talking about it on our Discord. You can search by the keyword and see. We're not trading at the moment with them. I don't know what the way it's going to be in the future, but for the moment, no. Golden pocket around the 200s. My entry might be a little early, but you're never wrong about longs. With Take Profit Trader, I have a financial jurisdiction limitation. Otherwise, we would be massive partners with Take Profit Traders. Massive partners with them. Which is something I'm working towards sorting it out. Financial jurisdiction limitation. But I'm working to fix it. They won't let me trade, but they would let me stream. For sure, they would let me stream. Nah, I guess they would let me trade without any issue. It's a massive company. It's not gonna get bothered by the payouts. You know, we've got the no cap account. So what's the situation with the likes, everyone? How are we sitting? Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. You got to do all these things, guys. Come on, we must hit 180 likes, and we have about 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes. Actually, not 15, 10 minutes to go. We still got to collect 50 likes in maximum 15 minutes. Do you guys think we're not grabbing today's high? So New York session is not grabbing today's high. This is an aggressive sell-off, by the way, which is something I'm going to long on my other accounts too. Other funded. A single contract long. A single mini. Yeah, I'm planning. Yeah, I'm planning to do a challenge with personal account. Have a $25,000 deposit and trade it in front of the community, fully in front of the community, only on the stream. From A to Z, documenting it with episodes and talking about it, sharing about it, presenting my trades, you know, have a journey like that from 25,000 to 100, and then from 100 to $500,000. And then once we touch $500,000, we take it all out and we do a giveaway of $10,000 to people. But we're going to do giveaways even earlier than that. For example, when we make it from 25 to 50, we're going to do some cash money giveaways. We're always going to do giveaways. Yeah, this is my plan, to run a challenge from a $25,000 massive... What the hell is happening here? Oh. I'm glad the banner protects me. You can't see the huge P&L. Oh. Haha. Look at that. 20,000 down. We're still profitable for today. Savius, yes. We're trading Savius as well. We also traded yesterday. $5,000 starting. I mean, which company with 5,000? Trading futures. Can you trade futures with 5,000 like Nasdaq? I don't know if you can do it. Jonathan, which company can you do 5,000 futures Nasdaq? You know, I can do Iron Beam. I could do challenges like that. From 5,000 to 10,000 and then do some cash money rewards for people. Ninja Trader or AMP futures. Yeah, but I'd like to have Quantower available. Quantower available. Yeah, that's great. Lovely purchasing pressure guy stepped in. Beautiful. Beautiful. I want you to see that here. How the algos are reacting perfectly. The red line. Beautiful purchasing power. You can never go wrong about longs. Let me get out of it here on this one. Let me get out of it here on this one. Let me get out of here on this one. So we sold all the three, made massive profits. 1,278 on this big belly. Not a big belly, mini belly. 777 on the other mini belly. And then 1,214. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, AMP futures. That's interesting. So we're going to do that, guys. AMP futures, 5,000, 10,000, 25, whatever, deposit. Run it on Quantower. And trying to go challenges. Documenting it. right? Episode number 1, the way the whole thing is running. That's a different business. That's a different business. It's a different thing. You guys are going to be down for that. I am sure everyone is going to like it. ATS platform. You can do, if you want prop firms for, you can do, even Savius is offering that. I think even FundedSeat. Beautiful purchasing pressure stepped in. Beautiful. AMP. Yeah. We'll very likely do AMP futures with personal resources and do challenges. Start off slow, trying to do $200, $300 a day, 150, right? And see the way we go from there. If we earn double the size of the account, double the size, then we should do some nice giveaways. What do you guys think about if we earn double the size? Like deposit 10,000 and have a nice runner for 20K. With base hits on 500, 1,000, 1,500, we could do that. Yeah, I don't think I should rush on this one. I don't think I should rush. Make sure to like the video, guys. We have another 5 minutes to go to collect. Ooh, quite a lot of likes. 25 likes. Oops. Oh, Jonathan. That's a huge achievement from 5,000 to 18. And if you would trade it right on the silver, you would have made it to 100. I guess that's what you wanted to do. You wanted to open up Pandora's box of volatility and take it to 100 from 18 grand quickly. What a silly selling pressure here. What a silly selling pressure. We did not bought the top there. We actually bought the very top. What a silly pressure here. Thank you, Fred. Thank you. Have a good day, buddy. Take care. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow, guys, for those of you that are leaving. Still got to do our giveaway soon. Yeah. I don't know about 500s, but I think we're gonna pass the 250, so I think we're fine in this long. Thank you, Maddie. I've been also inclining today for some bullishness. I'm relonging on the small belly accounts. Relonging there. Single contract. Still need a little more likes. I think we're pretty good. Profitable today. Profitable across the board. Even FundedSeat, basically 3 accounts had a $1,000 target touched. 2 accounts were hitting the daily stop loss limit. Still haven't lost any of those accounts. With Lucid, we're profitable. We're profitable with Lucid. Small belly. Here's the link to sign up the form. We're doing the giveaway soon, guys. We gotta hit the likes needed, 180. Minimum 180. We have about 3 minutes to go. If you want to have giveaways today, we gotta hit those 180 likes. And you gotta do anything in your power to achieve it. Not gonna add anything to this positions. Like for a fact, we're making good money on this flexes. $177, 3 more are needed. I'm DCing for this small one. We have daily VWAP and weekly here. So I'm DCing a little bit. You guys have to see the price section. Look at that, the chart. Expecting from this 5-minute to give us a decent rejection on this 5-minute candle. Expecting that. Yeah, it's dumping. Beautiful. We touched the target for the likes. We're starting the giveaways in 2-3 minutes. Yeah. We're selling big time. I'm expecting from this level to give us a form of reaction one way or the other. Let's see. It's not easy yet. Giveaways will start very, very soon, guys. I just want to get out of my beautiful. Maybe have a partial exit from this accounts. No, I'm actually fully... No, we certainly need that good money. We certainly need that money. Yeah, let me keep it that way. There's no reason to risk on them. We have more than 1,000 made today. It's great. The big value accounts are suffering though. But it's not an issue. Beautiful price action, look at that. Beautiful price action. We're only down 1,900, 600, 2,000 on the day for the big belly. Not scary at all, right? Haha. Oh. Looks like they're smashing it. Watch out. Failed reacting there. Yeah. Guess what? I couldn't resist not getting back in my longs for the small belly accounts. Couldn't resist. We got 2 minutes long. Can we get a decent reaction from here? 50 points. Is the bleeding over? Look at that. Absolute madness. Going all the way to yesterday's low here. Oh yeah. That's a huge one, guys. So the New York session opening is trouble. Look at that. Let's get towards the giveaways. Leave it open for a bit of a time. Wow. We're gonna have to leave it open. Yeah. Not an issue with the big belly if there is a loss. Full payouts are secured there. Not an issue there. That was fully unexpected. without any reactions here, smashing through everything, guys. Crazy. The last 15 minutes are crazy. Look at this 15-minute candle. Pretty much denies hours and hours of movements for the upside. Wow. This 15-minute candle has been complete nonsense. Yeah, time for the giveaways, guys. We need a Dux, we need a wheel, we need Formalo. Alright, so participation rules are simple. Participation rules are simple, exactly, Destiny. You gotta fill up the form, the participation form. The link is there in the chat, plus on our Discord. Like the video. Be subscribed. This is a terrible 15-minute candle. Terrible. 300 points. You're not caring and paying attention to anything, any pivot, any meaningful level, full of liquidity. That's just a mess. I'm gonna be here tomorrow streaming, guys. Not an issue. I like it a lot. Excitement. Alright, guys, so what do we share in the first giveaway? We're sharing 2 accounts. First one will be a market open half day tomorrow. 25,000 top 1 futures elite daily account. And second one will be 25,000 FundedSeat flex. So 2 accounts in the first giveaway. Crossing 30,000 again. Yeah. 100 points quickly bought up. So 2 accounts. Watch out for the numbers. It's going to be simple. You got to guess the number. Single choice for person. And do not spam it. Double 0, double 1, double 2. That's it. You can start right now. Formalo is in the pin post. Yes, we have Formalo in the pin post. You can start right now. Is in the chat pin post or our Discord community. We have it listed there. Keep it going, guys. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Down to 960s. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. This is the first giveaway. We're having 2 more. That's a quite of a big drop, guys, all the way down to 920s. Best of luck. We have that 00, but I don't think we stopped there. Questionable, questionable. I think it's the 0 by the end of the day. 0 with red. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good job. Good job, guys. Time for the ducks to show up some names. Here we are, 53. 1 minute competition time. Start right there. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good luck, everyone. Badger not here today. He's coming back next week on the 7th, Tuesday. Yeah, extreme volatility today. Time to see who's going to speed up here, guys. Time to see who's going to speed up. Shin, Joshin, and possibly Shane. Joshin, congratulations. And then Strange, look at that. You guys filled up the form. Yes, congratulations, Joshin. $25,000 Elite Daily Top 1 Futures account goes out to you. And Strange. FundedSeat Flex 25,000 goes out to you. Congratulations, Strange. Good job. Congratulations for the winner. Yeah, let's deal with the 10th soon. Like this move so far. This one is going to be Lucid. You guys like Lucid? 50,000 Lucid Flex. You guys like it? Then you have to attack it. Then you gotta attack it. Good. So, get ready for the numbers. Get ready. A single choice per person. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Here we are. 7 and double 8. A single 7 and double 8. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Single 7, double 8. Alright guys, stop right there. No more guesses. Oh. Sorry to hear that, Valorant. Sorry to hear that. Better luck next time. Better luck next time on the next accounts. Shuffle, and here we are. Let's go. Ha ha ha. If you get it up to 400,000, you actually deserve all that money from Lucid, right? Mr. Knifeard. That's going to be a number 8. That's going to be a number 8. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. Surely it's going to be about number 8. Surely. Wow, we have a ton of winners. We got a ton of winners. 104, so we do 2 rounds. The first one and the last one is qualifying second round. First one and the last one is qualifying second round. Yeah, I don't mind 250 points. I just want to see that at some point coming in. 250, I'm fine with that. First one and the last one qualify second round. We have more than 100 ducks. Who's gonna speed up? Come on, guys. Spain. Looks like Spain is speeding up. Oh, yeah. Spain is speeding up. Beautiful, Spain. You got this, X-Men Spain. He does this because today Spain is playing at the World Cup. So we gotta wish him good luck on that. But what's happening on Nasdaq, guys? Why are we having 400, 500 points drop? Yeah. So Spain in the first. Who's the last? SBB 57 is the last. Wow. SBB. Let's find out. SBB. SBB, did you fill up the form? Yes. And then Spain. Yes. Right, so you guys, you both will compete. Winner takes the account. 30 seconds competition time. Lucid. Flex 50,000. FundedFutures Network. Yeah, I'm fully aware about it. Would look into. They had really custom accounts back in the day. It was an interesting one. But they were having a lot of evaluations, a lot of levels. X-Men Spain leading up. Oh, yeah. Spain is lucky on a Spanish day. Look at that one. We got him scoring. Spain is winning. Congratulations, 50,000 Lucid Flex. This might be the best day. Not even close to if Spain would win the World Cup. This is much better. 50,000 Flex for you. Spain for the win. Look at that one. Then gotta look into. They might change and update it. But I'm looking into Nasdaq, and now I see basically 530 points drop. It's just incredible. Continuing, guys, with the last one, we still have YRM accounts, and we're going to share them. We still have YRM accounts. 50,000 YRM for the last one. What about the YouTube video? Will be posted either today or tomorrow or Saturday, one of those days. Yeah, we'll be posting it. Someone said something or someone did something. Watch out for the numbers. It's going to be simple. 777, single 8. 777, single 8. Let me know your best choice. Let me know, guys. Let me know. You can start right now. Best choice. 777, single 8. Good luck, guys. Yeah. Might be one of those days with the market dropping 800 points. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. I'm going to trade tomorrow, yes. And I'm going to stream tomorrow, yes. Let's go, guys. Shuffle. And here we are. Best of luck, everyone. Ben hacks, no spamming. Yeah, it's dumping actually. Oh, it's number 7. Congratulations for the winners. That was a simple one, right? Oh, did you? It's 7. Do you guys think we're going to close below 30,000 today? I guess very unlikely. So if you open up a single micro, you should be fine. Congratulations for the winners and number 7. $92, so we have a single round. Rank number 10 is winning. Rank number 10. Tenth ranked is winning. Wow, what a drop again. Yes. Rank number 10. Unfortunately, you won the race. But you gotta be lower number 10. Ben Hacks. Ben Hacks is basically the winner, but he got wiped out. He got timed out. Ben Hacks, unfortunately, we gotta take the next one. Ben Hacks got timed out for spamming. We gotta take the next one. Genius, 770, 7072. Genius, you filled up the form, Genius. Oh, Genius is here. Congratulations, Genius. Genius, 50,000 YRM goes out to your pockets. Congratulations. You've won the wrong race, Pip Guru, unfortunately. You got the wrong race. Made a new low, guys. Made a new low. But we haven't got to new high here under London. Just pushed very, very close to a new high and then totally dipped. Terrible. We'll find out tomorrow what happened with my Lucid. Oh yeah. Tomorrow streaming normally. Have a lovely and a beautiful day, guys. Yes, our small belly survived. We got out, but we got out on a big loss, 3,000. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is a massive, massive. Down to 750s from 300s is actually 550 points. Have a lovely and a beautiful day, guys. Take care. Wish you the best. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it.